find the radian value for the inverse tangent of the square root of 3 over 3. In other words, we want to find the angle whose tangent is square root of 3 over 3. We are looking for an angle theta whose tangent is square root of 3 over 3, where theta is between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2 radians. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. Recall that the tangent of an angle is defined as the y-coordinate divided by the x-coordinate of a point on the unit circle. We're looking for the angle where the ratio of y to x, y over x, is equal to square root of 3 over 3. From our knowledge of the unit circle or special triangles, we know that tangent of pi over 6, or 30 degrees, is equal to 1 over square root of 3, which simplifies to square root of 3 over 3. Therefore, the inverse tangent of square root of 3 over 3 is pi over 6 radians, or 30 degrees.